Hello everyone. Today we are going to demo the CPQ code to CX Sales to Subscription Cloud Accelerator. This is very first accelerator that is built in a YC project. What does this mean? This means that customer will be able to leverage the extensibility framework to meet their business needs and continue to upgrade the solutions. CX Sales team is looking to continue to improve the solution, so extensibility framework will come in handy for customers to continue to stay updated with the solution. Also to take notice, team is looking to bundle the solution as part of the SaaS app and provide an out-of-the-box experience for the customer. What does this solution do? This solution provides a bidirectional flow between the Oracle CPQ, CX Sales, and Subscription Cloud. So let's quickly get on with the demo. So to view the accelerators, all you have to do, you have to click on the View All. As you click on View All, you will see we are continuously delivering more and more recipes and accelerators. So we have now 194. So to find this accelerator, all I need to do is just search for CPQ. As I search for CPQ, I can see that this accelerator has been provided by the Oracle CPQ and CX Sales team. There is a documentation that is available using which you can understand the solution and how to configure. All the information has been provided. Going further, to install the solution, all we need to do is just click on Get. As we click on Get, system brings in the solution, and as this solution is installed, you will get the notification. Once you receive the notification, let's go into the projects. We found that the solution has been installed. Now, as this solution is available in OIC project, you get all the artifacts, integrations, connections, lookups at the one place. So now let's get started with the connections. Now to save the time, I have already configured the connections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the solution. So to activate, all I need to do is select the deployment that I'm interested in and then click on activate. So as you can see, activation is in progress. As you can see now, the entire solution has been activated. Let's now get into the CPQ cloud. Okay, here we are on the Oracle CPQ cloud. I'm going to create a new code / transaction in CPQ. So let me put in the party ID that I'm interested into. Let me add the product as a line item. And as I add the product, as it's a subscription, let me select the start and end date for the subscription. So I'm selecting 2nd February to the 1st March as in start to end date for the subscription. Let me save the transaction and then click on create order. As I click on create order, what is happening is the Oracle integration flow is running, and as you can see, it has brought forward the order number from the order management. So if I copy this order, okay, and search the order on the ERP side, all I need to do is just search for it. As I search, I can see that this order has been successfully created over here. So now as I continue the testing of the solution, what I find out is that solution does not work for one type of a order. So what I've done is I've created an order which is coverage order. So this new type of order, I've added the coverage information as well over here. What I'm going to now do is I'm going to basically save and then create the order. As I click on create order, you see there's an error. So let's quickly go to the Oracle integration and see. Because this solution is in OIC project, I can quickly go on to the observe, click on the instances, and I will see that the last instance which just executed here, if I get into the details, I can see that this has failed to create the order. That's exactly what we got onto the screen. So what error came was able to surface up onto the CPQ cloud. Now, after troubleshooting, I found out this did not work because the additional attributes which are required for this order were missing. So I have to now extend the solution and add the support for this type of an order into the solution. Okay, so what I've done is now I have extended the solution. I have added the extension group before the failure. So as it was failing in creating the sales order, I have basically created the extension group which is before the endpoint, and in it I have iterated the each line item, and I have seen if any line item is for the coverage, because that's where it was failing. In that particular case, I am basically updating the parameter. So I'm checking if the coverage information is there. In that case, I am updating the parameter for the order. So as I provide this information, now I should be good to go back, activate and test the order. So here I am on the CPQ cloud. This is the same order which was earlier. So let's quickly try. So as I click on create order, we will see that new flow would have executed. This time it is an extended flow. So we can see this has successfully created the order. So let's go to the Oracle integration and first see what is the state of the flow. I can see that the order, so you can see here the order number is same. So it's the same order which was earlier failed because of the missing parameter. So if I click on the previous one, I'll see that it failed with the missing parameter. Now with the extension, open the latest one, I will see that it has created the order successfully. Let's now quickly go and see the order on the ERP cloud. So I'll go into the ERP cloud and I will search for the order number that we have taken from the CPQ, and we'll see that order is created successfully. Order has the coverage item details as well. So all the expected functionality is now working fine. So this concludes my demo.